So we want to continue our series of mistakes that are common to English language learners. Let's look at our first sentence. When I arrived at the station, I couldn't see nobody. What do you think is wrong with this sentence? The situation is that you arrive at the station and it's empty. Hopefully you can notice that we've got a negative here and a negative there. And this is a problem in English when we use two negatives. So I know in a lot of languages we have to use words like nobody and nothing with a negative verb, but in English that's not the case. So it's usual to use a negative verb with a different kind of noun, like anybody. So we could say, I couldn't see anybody. Or it's possible to do it the other way and say, I could see nobody. Both are possible. It's much more usual in English to have just one negative in the sentence. That doesn't mean we can never have double negatives, because we can. Let me give you an example. If I write, say nothing, that means be quiet. Okay, here we've got the one negative, but I could also say, don't just say nothing. Okay, what does that mean? Well, we've got this as a negative and this is a negative, so they cancel themselves out, and it actually means say something. So we have to be a little bit careful if we do use a double negative, because it has a positive meaning in a sentence, and so occasionally we can do it. Let's look at our second sentence. He closed suddenly the book. Can you see what's wrong with this sentence? It's a problem of word order, and it can be really difficult to move between different languages when you consider word order. There are lots of different rules. This is showing a problem with one of the rules, and it's around this. This is an adverb. So the verb closed, and what it is closing, its object, the book, don't like to be separated. They like to stay close together. So the adverb can go in three positions. It can go before the clause, at the end of the clause, or before the verb. So in this case, that would mean we could put it here. Suddenly he closed the book. We could put it here. He suddenly closed the book. Or we could put it at the end. He closed the book suddenly. Now, not every adverb can go in each of these three positions, but suddenly is very flexible and it can. I hope this has been useful to you, and that you'll tune in and watch some more videos when I put them up. See you soon!